Good afternoon, dear friends and guests of my channel. Today, I'm going to make sweet buns for tea. Buns, according to this recipe, turn out to be so delicious and lush. I will be glad if you stay with me and watch this video to the end. Add sugar to the warm milk and crumble the raw yeast, and then stir well. Add a few spoonfuls of flour so that you get a gruel. Cover with a towel and let stand at room temperature for 10 to 15 minutes until foam forms. Meanwhile, mix the eggs with melted butter and salt. Pour the egg mixture into the sponge and mix. Then add the flour in parts. After adding the first batch, pour in the vanilla. Add flour a little at a time. The dough should be soft, slightly sticky. Knead the dough for 10 minutes and then transfer it to a deep container. Cover the container tightly with a film and put it in the oven for an hour and a half at a temperature of 45 degrees. Knead the dough a little and divide it into equal parts. Roll a ball out of each part. Turn it over and roll it into an oblong tortilla. Brush the tortilla with soft butter and sprinkle with sugar mixed with cinnamon. Then make incisions without reaching the edges. Roll the tortilla into a roll diagonally and roll it into a snail, bending the edges under the bottom. Cover the blanks with a towel and let them stand at room temperature for 30 minutes. Brush the buns with beaten egg with the addition of 1 tablespoon of milk. Bake in a preheated oven at 100 degrees for 20 minutes, 1 baking sheet at a time. These are such rosy, lush, and delicious buns turned out. Well, it's time for me to say goodbye to you, friends. If you like the recipe, please like it and write comments. I will also be glad if you support the channel by subscribing. I wish you all a good day and a great mood cooking with pleasure. See you soon!